got some Subway today. I think because I loaded mine up. Mine was the only one that came that was semi-good. Everybody else's got like completely shafted. And I swear to God, if you don't go, watch them make your fucking sandwich. It's just not gonna come out right. I got Doritos, and I also got these. These are from home. I got the spicy Italian. I had to add mayo when it got here because it was just ridiculous. It was super dry. Now it's all seeping out because of the avocado. I hope everybody had a good week. I had a semi-good week. Actually, pretty good week. I'm just like slowly starting to climb out of a funk. So recognizing the good is sometimes difficult for me. Building confidence and doing what I'm doing. Keeping going on this TikTok shenanigans. Doing pretty good. Keeping consistent on the social media. It's really helping in a strange way. Another thing is like learning not to give a shit about what people say about you. And then like stupid fucking hate comments and shit like that, you know, letting it brush off your shoulder. It's a lot harder than it seems. But that's what I need. I need all that. And just from doing this, okay, this is day 30 for me. Day 30. And there's a significant difference in how I'm approaching this than I did 30 days ago. So if you're watching my videos, that's really cool.